do, then do, followed by do, make the last word original. Do, done. Genius. Duh. How can you be so creative? Oh, Calvin and Duo wants a new song.
Wait, yeah, I'm with the prince from Snow White. Give me a second. Yeah, dude, one kiss is all it takes. And she'll wake up.
It's a hit! What should we call it?
Baby Shark.
Blackpink!
I wish to have an Action Man figure.
Yeah, sorry, it's my nephew. He's telling me what he wants for Christmas.
Oh, okay.
And I wish, and I wish, and I wish, and I wish.
This is gonna work so well! Oh, Sean wants a new song.
These are my diabetes test results. It's negative! It isn't in my blood.
That's great! I'm gonna call Sean and tell him that we got a new song. I mean that diabetes isn't in your blood. Come on, let's go travel.
No.
Come on, let's go to Havana!
Oh, no. We got a hit!
Yes! I'd like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly.
Hey, can you buy your drugs later? We have songs to write now.
Hey, those are my lines! I heard that you and Billy are a thing now, huh?
No. Billie Jean is not my lover. Okay, she's just a girl, okay, who claims that I'm the one.
Okay, Bruce, so before we write you a song, we need to know a little bit more about you. So, where are you born?
Born in the USA.
Where?
I was born in the USA.
You're not gonna make a song about that, are you?
Oh, I mean, you know, who cares about clever lyrics?
BTS wants a new song.
Nope.
They're gonna pay a few millions. The fans are crazy about them.
A few millions, you say? Okay, for the love of music. Wait, we can't speak Korean.
They want to mix both English and Korean. And most fans don't really get the Korean part anyways. So we have the toughest job. So try to make it very, very generic. Love. Baby. I love us. True lovers.
Dude, no. Blackpink already. La.
Okay, now to make it original, give me a random word.
DNA.
Done. The dog wants a song. Mr. Worldwide? But it's been used for so many years. But it's Downsells. Okay, I got it.
Thank you.
Next.
Thank you.
Next.
Thank you. Why are you writing next?
Charles, we need to have the talk.
No, not now. Can we have the pillow talk later? Oh yeah? You think so? Oh yeah, you think you could live without me? Huh? You think you could live without me? Oh yeah? Hey, carrots. Helps the brain.
I don't like carrots. That's some
24 karat magic!
24 karat magic.
Damn, I can't feel my face.
I can feel my face when I'm... Dude, nice, keep it coming!
Dude, I'm hurt.
Oh, is it too late now to say sorry?
Is it too
This is so great! Yo, look what you made me do!
Look what you made me do. Oh, nice!
Why you gotta be so rude?
So rude. Oh! Oh wait, now there's a blank space here.
And I'll write your name.